So, I was sitting here thinking this morning, and something hit me, man, that I feel like is very valuable that maybe you can use. And you know what I realized? The moment life is spoken into you, like someone or something happens that shows you that you have a purpose, that it's something that you have to do in life, that you're not just average. You know, everybody is here to do different things, but you're here to do something great, and you might not even see. In that moment when someone say, hey, you are meant to do this, and you might say, yeah, oh, okay, keep going. Then life happens. You see what I'm saying? Stuff happen in between. You lose people. You go through things. You know, storms happen. You know what I'm saying? And now you over here. So all this in between happened, and then now you get here, and you wake up one day, drink some coffee, you think about life, and just, like, man, how things going. And you realize that life that was spoken in you is real now. You know what I mean? It just kind of get me emotional just thinking about it, because certain things were spoken into me, and now I get it. I see it. You see what I'm saying? Now, it took some stuff to happen. So I feel like it's my responsibility to speak life in you, because I know how valuable it is. And I know how valuable it is to speak life into your kids and be truthful, not delusional. You know, it's time to stop feeding our kids with these fairy tales, Christmas, all this stuff. Man, let's kill all that. Let's be real, because life is real. Let's be real about finances, real about home ownership, that, it ain't about owning a home. It's about owning a business, renting a home. You see what I'm saying? It's about owning everything you use to make money, to do business, and renting how you live. Because if you think about it, you're renting here. You know what I mean? We're not here to stay. If it was here to stay, nobody would die. And then y'all say, buy land, keep it. Yeah. But we're not. That's a reality. That's a fact. So think about that. And just take a moment. And if you have had something spoken into your life, and then now you see, like, damn, it didn't came to pass, or it's coming to pass. You see what I'm saying? You got something, man. He, she, whoever you are, wherever you are, I'm speaking life in you. I don't care if you want to be a welder or not. If you want to be an artist, a writer, a musician, architect, drawer, whatever you want to be, do it, because you're somebody.